welcome to another cooking of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora of Philippines cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD. And all my 24 books, yes, 24, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Noble, all bookstores near you globally, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, and also another website, a new one, juanitagutierrezbscdmscd.com. That's my beautiful mom, former beauty queen and first woman ever elected public official in our hometown with my dad as the town mayor, and more in my 24 books that you will see right here in my website as well, and below my video, and all my 24 books. Now, welcome once again to our cooking beloved mom's delightful food recipes. That's my beautiful beloved mom in our kitchen when we were growing up. A new house built, a gift from my dad from the USA airport, USA, where my dad was a USA stenographer typist for so many years. And today I am going to cook Atlantic salmon fillet, and it's right here with the skin on. I like Atlantic salmon with skin on, and you will see this already starting to cook because I turn on the oven, the stove I mean. And in our pinaksiw or vinaigrette, salmon vinaigrette, I'm using the mixture of the achara that's left over. We have the garlic scrapes, we have the bell peppers, yellow and orange and red, and we have the carrots, we have the garlic, we have the whole black peppercorn as well, and we have the minced garlic as well. And let's see if we can see the other ingredients here, or maybe that's the ginger as well, and I have put the rest of, that's the flower buds or ubod ng bawang, or flower buds of the garlic scrapes, and maybe we will see it when we turn it. I'm looking for the onion pearls. Maybe I put it in the bottle already in the previous video that I have shown you. Oh, right here we have onion pearls right there, and we have raisins. Oh wow, this is perfect, super delicious. And so what they're just going to do is just drop them all together, and this is super nutritious. Let me just stabilize our camera right here. Let's see here. Let me get a stand in a little bit, and let's see. I hope this cooperates. All right. Thanks be to God. And so we kind of spread that together, and then I just get the other wonderful ingredients right here. This is just very flavorful, full of nutrition, very tempting gourmet salmon, Atlantic salmon vinaigrette. We call this in Tagalog language pinaksiw, Pinaksiw, and we eat this, we enjoy this with rice, or you could eat this just by itself if you would like. And then we'll just simmer this and Wait for this to cook. Easy does it, isn't it? Lovely. Very beautiful, colorful, and most of all, tasty and nutritious. And I would like, as we are waiting for it to cook, I would like to invite you to get a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. If you would like to order all fresh seafoods, steaks, and more at www.allfreshseafood.com, and they have wild caught seafoods and steaks grass fed, or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-833 got crab, and use my name Juanita to get a 10% discount. Isn't that exciting? Thank you for all your support. And I'm introducing you as well to Hug a Tree, book by Juanita Gutierrez, available worldwide. Yours truly speaking to you about the video. That's one of my 24 books as well. And so, that's easy, does it, isn't it? So, we used apple cider vinegar and organic, and then I'm including you as well, that's why, brown sugar, and then the whole peppercorn right there. Let's see if you could see the right perfect. And I also use the red pepper, and if you don't have the whole peppercorn, you could use, of course, the ground black pepper. And then I use the organic herbs de Provence, made of lavender as well. Seasoning, as I had mentioned to you before, Mom and I traveled to Europe. Mom and Dad traveled as well, and all my brothers and siblings, the brothers and sisters and their own family, excuse me please, traveled as well. And in France and in other parts in Europe, London, we went to Germany and Switzerland as well, Netherlands. In France, there's a place called Provence, and there's lots of lavender. And now, lavender is one of the seasonings, herbs de Provence, from Provence, France. So we have here garlic scrapes and bell peppers, yellow, orange, red, green, whatever you like. And then this is the flower buds of the garlic scrapes, ubud, flower buds, that's the Tagalog language. Of course, you have the seasoning there, and we have the raisins. Excuse me, please. Let me show you the, get it from the fridge. I just use the, excuse me please. Oh, I am just having a cold right now. That's why. Excuse me please. And I also use raisins. I must have right here. I also use raisins, and so that's what you see here, right there. And of course the pearl onions and garlic and ginger. Wow, super delicious. And a little bit of cilantro as well. This is just perfectly delicious, flavorful, flavorsome, appetizing, tasty, and nutritious. Now we're going to cover this. You see, it's already bubbling. while we have a little cold, that's why we need something with apple cider vinegar. Very good. And garlic scrapes. Wow, this is beautiful. Salmon has lots of nutritions and benefits. You could research online. And of course the garlic scrapes as well. Easy does it, isn't it? Pinaksiw, salmon. Pinaksiw na salmon, that's a Tagalog word for Atlantic salmon fillet vinaigrette. And I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude to you all. First of all, our source creator within, my beloved mom and dad, my brothers and sisters and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart so we could grow together. And mom and dad used to own a fishing boat, and they named the fishing boat St. Anthony because mom and dad experienced an outstanding miracle from St. Anthony when they were newlyweds. So I wrote a book. The aroma is super delicious. I wish you were here with me so you could smell the aroma. Very fragrant of the salmon vinaigrette. Excuse me, please. And I wrote this in a book, The Miracle of Ascended Master Anthony. In the book I entitled Missing People, Animals, Things, Go to Anthony. And you will find that as well in my website and at Amazon as well. Happy cooking. Salmon vinaigrette with garlic scrapes, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and pearl onions. Let me show you the pearl onions. Excuse me, please. I'm just going to stabilize. Excuse me, please. My hammer here. And the aroma of the garlic. Excuse me, please. The apple cider vinegar, garlic scrapes, and all the seasonings and ingredients. That's the pearl onions, and that's how it looks like when it's raw. Looks like a pearl. That's why they're called pearl onions, and they're so tiny and cute, like this. Wow, there's so many health benefits in our salmon vinaigrette. That's all there is to it. Easy does it, isn't it? How to cook salmon vinaigrette in Tagalog language, pinaksiw na salmon. And I love to translate because I wrote a book, my first book, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by your student, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. Yeah, St. Anthony is very powerful and helps my beloved mom and dad when they were newlyweds. And so all the miracles of St. Anthony I wrote in the book, Missing People, Animals, Things, Go to Anthony. Now, our salmon vinaigrette is slowly cooking. Slowly cooking. Also with ginger, the aroma of the salmon vinaigrette with garlic, with pearl onions, apple cider vinegar, carrots, bell peppers, and all the seasonings. Wow. Fantastic, spectacular, super flavorful, super fragrant, and tempting, appetizingly delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. Plenty of garlic as well, right there. Hobby, this is very, very flavorful. You're gonna love this as I do. Try this. You're going to really love it. Salmon vinaigrette, pinaksil na salmon in Tagalog language. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. It's masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kain na po tayo. Come on and eat. And napakasarap. That's super flavorful. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful mom. And this her gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay, Nene, Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, PLCD and City. Available worldwide at Amazon, X Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. Happy cooking! Salmon vinaigrette. Yum. Enjoy.